I will show you how you can open a terminal window in Finder at the desired location. But first, let's check this option is enabled in Settings. Go to Settings. Keyboard. Keyboard shortcuts. Services. Files and folders. Check that New Terminal at Folder option is checked. Also check if the New Terminal tab at folder is checked. Press Done. Let's say we want to open a terminal at this folder location called OpenCV. Right-click on the folder and select New Terminal at Folder. As you can see, a terminal has been opened at the desired location. If we want to open a new tab in the same terminal, we go to the folder in Finder, we right-click and we select New Terminal tab at folder. Enjoy!